What if I told you that you could be making money while you sleep? Literally, earning passive income while you're kicking back on a beach somewhere, sipping on something tropical. Sounds pretty good, right? That's the beauty of passive income. You're not trading your time for money. You're building something once that can generate income for months, years, even decades down the line. And guess what? In 2025, passive income is more attainable than ever. We've got AI, automation, the whole 9 yards, making it easier than ever to build online businesses that practically run themselves. So if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready to start building your own financial freedom, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 incredibly powerful passive income ideas that are tailor-made for 2025. These aren't your typical get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate business models that require a bit of upfront work, but have the potential to generate serious long-term earnings. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Imagine this, you're running a successful YouTube channel, raking in views and ad revenue, but there's a twist. You haven't filmed or edited a single video yourself. Sounds impossible? Not in 2025, my friends. AI tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Runway ML are absolute game changers. These platforms allow you to generate entire videos using just AI. We're talking AI voiceovers, AI-generated visuals, the whole shebang. Think about it, you can literally script out a video, feed it to the AI, and bam! You've got yourself a fully produced piece of content. And the best part? You can scale this up like crazy. Imagine having multiple videos going live every single week, all without lifting a finger. Now, how do you monetize this masterpiece of AI ingenuity? YouTube ads are a given, but don't stop there. Explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, even selling your own digital products through your channel. But here's the real secret sauce, the pro tip that'll put you ahead of the curve. Focus on viral topics. Think tech reviews, motivational content, finance tips. These niches are booming on YouTube. Why? Because people are hungry for that information, and they're constantly searching for it online. So, you tap into that demand with your AI-powered channel, and you're looking at some serious passive income potential. Remember, content is king. Even when AI is doing the heavy lifting, keep your content high quality, engaging, and consistent, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your channel can grow. And who knows, you might even be able to quit your job and run your YouTube empire from that beach we talked about earlier. Next up, we're diving into the world of digital publishing, but with an AI twist. Remember when I said passive income is about working once and earning forever? Well, it doesn't get much closer than this. We're talking about AI-generated eBooks. Now, before you start picturing robots churning out novels, hear me out. AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Claude are incredibly powerful. They can help you generate high-quality content at lightning speed. We're talking outlines, chapters, even entire books, all with the click of a button. And no, I'm not saying you should publish AI-generated content without any human touch. That's a recipe for disaster. The key here is to use AI as a tool to streamline the writing process. Let it handle the first draft, the tedious stuff, then you step in with your expertise. You edit, you refine, you add your unique voice and perspective. Once you've got your masterpiece polished, it's time to unleash it to the world. Platforms like Amazon KDP make self-publishing an absolute breeze. Upload your ebook, set your price, and watch the royalties roll in. And the best part? You only have to write it once. That's right, once that ebook is up for sale, it can literally generate passive income for years to come. But here's a pro tip, don't skimp on the editing. I know it's tempting to just let the AI do its thing. But trust me, a well-written, well-edited book will outperform a sloppy one every single time. Think about it. You could be earning passive income from your ebook while you're working on your next one, or even while you're on that beach sipping something tropical. Ever dreamed of launching your own clothing line or selling merch with your own designs? In the past, that meant piles of inventory, dealing with shipping logistics, and a whole lot of upfront investment. But not anymore, my friends. Print on demand is here to revolutionize the game. Imagine this, you create a killer design, slap it on a t-shirt, mug, phone case, whatever your heart desires, and list it for sale online. But here's the kicker. You don't actually have to hold any inventory. That's right. With print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify, they handle everything. When someone orders your product, they print it, package it, and ship it directly to the customer. You literally only pay when you make a sale. Talk about low risk, high reward. And the best part is you can let your creativity run wild. Design t-shirts with witty slogans. Create phone cases with stunning artwork. The possibilities are endless. But here's where it gets even better. You can leverage the power of AI to take your designs to the next level. AI art tools like DALL and MidJourney are capable of generating mind-blowing images based on your prompts. Feed it a description, a style, a color palette, and boom, you've got a unique, eye-catching design ready to be printed on demand. Pro tip: tap into trending topics and niches. Think pop culture references, funny memes, inspirational quotes. These are the kinds of designs that people are actively searching for online. Let's talk about one of the most popular passive income streams out there. Affiliate marketing. It's a simple concept, really. You recommend products or services to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the cold calling or awkward pitches. Now here's where AI comes in to supercharge your affiliate marketing game. Remember those AI writing tools we talked about? Well, they're not just for eBooks. Tools like Jasper and ChatGPT can churn out high-quality blog posts, articles, even social media captions, all optimized for affiliate marketing. Think about it, you could have a blog post reviewing the latest tech gadgets and seamlessly weave in your affiliate links for Amazon, Best Buy, or any other tech retailer. Or maybe you're passionate about travel. Write about your dream destinations and include your affiliate links for booking flights, hotels, and tours. And here's the beauty of it. Once you hit publish on that blog post, it's out there working for you 24/7. People can stumble upon it through search engines, social media shares, you name it. It's like having a sales team working around the clock generating passive income while you sleep. Pro tip: focus on high-paying affiliate programs. Niches like finance, tech, and software tend to offer higher commissions, which means more money in your pocket for every sale. We live in a visual world. Every website, every blog post, every social media ad, they all need high-quality images to capture attention and tell a story. And guess what? You can be the one providing those images and cashing in on the demand. But here's the twist, you don't need to be a professional photographer or a Photoshop wizard. AI art generators have completely changed the game. With tools like DALL, MidJourney, and Stable Diffusion, you can literally type in a description of what you want to see, and the AI will generate it for you. Want a photorealistic image of a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicycle on the moon? No problem, AI's got you covered. Once you've generated your masterpieces, it's time to turn them into cold, hard cash. Stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo are constantly looking for fresh content. And here's the best part. You upload your images once, and they can generate passive income for months, even years to come. Every time someone licenses your image, you get a cut. Pro tip: focus on niche-specific images. If you're into finance, create images related to investing, cryptocurrency, or real estate. If you're a tech enthusiast, generate images of futuristic gadgets, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity. The more specific you are, the easier it'll be to stand out from the crowd and attract buyers. We all have knowledge and skills that others are willing to pay for. Maybe you're a coding whiz, a marketing guru, or a master chef. Whatever your area of expertise, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. And the best part? You can package that knowledge into an online course and sell it over and over again. Online learning is booming. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad have made it easier than ever to create and sell courses online. And guess what? You don't need to be a video editing pro or a graphic design guru to make it happen. AI can be your secret weapon. Use AI tools to help you write your course scripts, create engaging slide decks, even generate voiceovers if you're camera shy. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides real value to your students. Pro tip: in 2025, courses on AI, investing, and business are in high demand. If you have expertise in these areas, you're sitting on a goldmine. Last but not least, let's talk about putting your money to work for you. We're talking about passive income streams that require a bit of upfront investment but can generate consistent returns over time. First up, we have crypto staking. Think of it like earning interest on your crypto holdings. Platforms like Binance and Coinbase offer staking services where you can lock up your crypto for a set period and earn rewards in return. It's a great way to passively grow your crypto portfolio while supporting the security and stability of the blockchain. Pro tip: Focus on stable cryptos like Ethereum for staking. They offer a good balance of rewards and stability. Now, let's move on to dividend stocks. These are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly or even monthly. It's like receiving a paycheck from your investments. Companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson have a long history of paying consistent dividends to their shareholders. Pro tip: diversify your dividend stock portfolio across different sectors to minimize risk and maximize returns. And that's it! 7 powerful passive income ideas for 2025 that can help you make money while you sleep, travel the world, or simply enjoy more freedom in your life. Which one are you most excited about? Comment below and let me know. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. But with the right mindset, a bit of hustle, and the power of AI on your side, you can achieve incredible things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more financial freedom tips. I'll see you in the next video.